Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. I invite you today to create with me super cute Christmas gift tags. These are very lovely tags, and for creating them I used the bonus dies which were included in the Die Cutting Essentials magazine issue 84. It had a set of dies and also a set of stamps and some digital papers. I didn't use the papers today, but I die cut everything out of red, white, brown and green paper. And some papers are used were patterned, but of course you can die cut your elements using completely different colors, because everything here is very easy to mix and mixed and match. Yes. I never played with a little set of elements like this one, and I really enjoy that, because whatever colors you would use on whatever colors, it looked just great. So on the red elements I was using white and brown elements. On the white I was using red and brown. On the brown I was using white and red and so on and so on. So as you can see, I will show you quickly how I created few. These are super small, but that's why they are perfect for gift tags. And you can have so many different designs here, because you've got few little elements which can be added on the top of the bigger ones. So I created few mittens, a few sweaters, a few mugs, and when I had those elements ready, I started to create compositions on my tags. Apart the elements which were included in the magazine, I have also used Lady Design cutting dies to die cut the tags and a few leaves. The compositions will be simple but cute. If you will be adding any sentiments to your tags, definitely do it before adhering any elements on the flat tags, because my first lot I adhere everything and then I wanted to stamp the sentiments and it was kind of tricky. So this time I had my lesson. I am starting with the sentiments. The stamp had a cute sentiment saying warm and cozy greetings, and I'm going to use that again. Just with the black ink I will stamp on each tag, and then I will start creating the compositions. Compositions here are very simple but adorable. It has maybe 2 or 3 layers, so I started with the leaves and then the main element. As you can see, I'm adding the contrast element on the tags, and this time I'm also using red tags because my first tags were only brown. So the leaves will go on the tags just with the glue, and then for the element I'm using double-sided foam pads, just to give those tags a little bit of dimension. I know they are small, but I still like to have them, dimensional. Like everything I do. I don't like super flat projects, so even if I can add a little bit of dimension, I will do that. So the compositions I will adhere to the tags, and then I'm going to finish them off. I will add string to each tag so they are ready to be attached to the gifts, and then I will use white gesso to create snow effect on the edges of the tags, on a little bit on the elements, but just a little bit. I will be using ordinary kitchen sponge, just cut into smaller piece. It is great for working with gesso, and then also I will mix the gesso with a little bit of water and then add splats to my tags. This will be my final touch. Just remember to cover a little bit at least your sentiment, so the splats will not go on the writing. And this will be it. Super short video. I hope you will like that, because I just love those tags, and I hope I can inspire you to create something similar. Of course, thank you so much for coming back, or if you are new here, I hope you will stay for longer. Please subscribe to my channel if you didn't yet, then you will be notified about new videos. I will have one more Christmas video before Christmas, definitely. Maybe more, I don't know if I will be able to do any more, but I have one lovely video coming, so please come back to my channel. And that will be it for today. Thanks again, and have a lovely creative day. Bye bye!